26 Health benefits of avocado and important nutritional facts. Avocado nutritional facts. Avocado fruit is made up of 3 distinct parts: the seed, the yellowish-green pulp, and the dark green rind. One average-sized avocado pear contains vitamins such as A, C, E, K, B vitamins, as well as essential minerals including potassium, magnesium, protein, healthy fats, and dietary fiber. Other minerals are also present, albeit in minute amounts. A 100-gram serving of the avocado pulp can give a total of 160 calories. This makes it a good source of calories since its contents are mostly healthy. Like bananas, avocados belong to the group of climacteric fruits, which are harvested before they are ripe. They ripen after they have been harvested. Health benefits of the avocado seed. Although it is not majorly recommended that the seed of an avocado fruit should not be eaten, modern research results show that the seed contains essential chemical substances. These studies show that the avocado seed can be used for treating ailments such as high blood pressure, inflammations, and diabetes. Benefits of consuming avocado pear. Avocados are good sources of healthy fats. More than 3/4 of the caloric content of an avocado fruit is fat, not bad fat but the healthy kind. This makes the fruit a good choice for increasing the fat content of the body. Due to the richness of the avocado pear in vital body nutrients, it offers good benefits to the body. Some of the benefits which can be derived from the consumption of avocado pear include: reduction of bad cholesterol. Research has proven that the consumption of avocado pear can help in lowering LDL, low-density lipoproteins cholesterol in the body. While doing this, it also aids in increasing the level of good HDL cholesterol. For good sight. Avocados contain eye-protecting antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin as well as vitamin A, which work together to protect and maintain the eyes. In the treatment of diabetes. Type 2 diabetes can be controlled with the inclusion of avocados in the daily diet of diabetes patients. The presence of monounsaturated fats in the fruit help in stimulating the level of insulin in the patient. Good for the brain. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fatty acids. Monounsaturated fatty acids in large amounts help in guarding the brain against brain-related diseases due to aging. Moreover, the consumption of this fruit helps in lowering the risk of depression. Good for the heart. Avocados have high levels of potassium, which is good for the heart. The most common source of potassium among fruits is banana, but the potassium content in bananas are not as much as in avocados. An average avocado fruit has more than twice the potassium level in an average banana. For pregnant women. Pregnant women can benefit a lot from eating avocados. One way they can benefit is in the reduction of morning sickness, which is common during pregnancy. This is due to the fact that avocados contain B vitamins including vitamin B6, which is helpful in dealing with the associated nauseous feeling. For breastfeeding women. Vitamin K is needed to form blood clots during bleeding. An avocado fruit contains many vitamins including vitamin K. Infants are supposed to be fed with breast milk having sufficient amounts of vitamin K. This is because the deficiency of the vitamin can lead to some health conditions such as VKDB, vitamin K deficiency bleeding, which is a dangerous problem that can affect infants. This type of bleeding problem can eventually lead to death if not properly treated. Aids infant growth. Avocados contain proteins and amino acids needed for proper child growth. Avocados are known to offer more nutrients when compared to apples, which make them a healthy choice for baby food. It is important to note, however, that your child needs to be older than 6 months before feeding him avocado. Liver-friendly food. Eating avocado can help in protecting the liver from damage. Avocados help to strengthen bones. Avocado fruit contains small amounts of calcium, which is a vital ingredient for strong bones. Moreover, the presence of carotenoids like lutein helps in mitigating bone tissue degeneration. Good source of energy. Athletes can also benefit from consuming avocados as they are rich in essential body nutrients. Other active chemicals present in the fruit helps to provide instant energy before or after an exhausting activity. For reducing the effects of aging. Avocado pear helps in reducing the effects of aging such as wrinkles. Antioxidants like lutein have been shown to help in decreasing the symptoms of aging. Aids digestion. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and dietary fiber which are essential for proper digestion. The high fiber content stimulates the absorption of nutrients in the digestive tract and aid in relieving the symptoms of constipation. For the treatment of cancer. Cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy can greatly benefit from the consumption of avocados as it contains chemical substances that inhibit their growth of cancerous cells. For healing. One study showed that the consumption of avocado can help in hastening the healing process of wounds. Improves blood circulation. The vitamin K content of avocados makes them beneficial in promoting blood circulation in the body. This means that essential body nutrients will be effectively transferred to various parts of the body. Immune system booster. Avocados are packed with vitamin C, which helps in protecting the body from infections. Moreover, vitamin C is a vital nutrient for essential body functions such as bone formation and healthy skin. To curb food craving. Avocados contain dietary fiber which helps to give a filling effect. What this means is that after eating avocados, the tendency of eating something else will be very low. This can be good for persons who are battling with food cravings and don't want to overeat. Assists in weight reduction. The consumption of avocados is also recommended for obese or overweight persons who want to shed some weight. Research has shown that eating avocado will help to control weight gain. Avocados are healthy for the kidneys. Electrolyte imbalance can lead to kidney problems. One common electrolyte that can be deficient in the body is potassium. Since avocados have high amounts of potassium, it makes sense that the fruit should be used in keeping the kidney healthy. Treatment for osteoarthritis. Research has shown that a type of avocado extracts can be used in the effective treatment of osteoarthritis. While the research result did not comment on the use of the avocado pear for this treatment, the unsaponified extract is, however, effective. For skin protection. Avocado contains antioxidants that are helpful in protecting the body against harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. In addition, the antioxidants help in fighting off free radicals in the body. As a moisturizer for the hair. Though there is no credible scientific research to back this claim, it has been found out via experiential uses that avocado can help in moisturizing the hair. Apart from this, it is a known fact that many cosmetic products make use of avocado oil as one of their constituent ingredients. For oral health. Oral problems such as halitosis, bad breath, can be remedied by the consumption of avocado fruit. This is because of the antioxidants and antimicrobial properties of the fruit which help in killing the pathogens that cause the offensive breath. In addition, avocado can help in the prevention of mouth cancer. If you like this video, please share your opinion in the comment box below and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter or Instagram. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below for more research-based home remedies and natural health tips. Follow us on Facebook at Natural Herb Cures and Twitter at Natural Herb Cure.